PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday the 30th. And let's go to some Skycam shots. Boy, what a crystal clear sky today. And it's pretty brisk out, even with the sunshine. We'll begin with a look at the Skycam over the city of Birmingham. These images taken about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures are generally in the mid-40s, not quite as warm as forecast. It's a very cold Arctic air mass. Tuscaloosa, once again, the sky clear there in West Alabama, and even at the Gulf Coast. Not a cloud in the sky. The temperatures down there in the low 50s. Love being down there in the wintertime. There's our water vapor satellite imagery. You can see the big storm that brought the wind and the rain last night. That's sweeping off the Atlantic coast. Storm number 2 out there in the Rockies, and that will be in here tomorrow night. Temperatures are just bone-chilling cold up on the Canadian border. Readings up there around 17, 18 below zero. And you can see how that cold air diving down into Milwaukee, Chicago, Indianapolis. They're in the teens, and we've got 40s down here. And obviously, we're not going to have time for tropical air to move back up in here for the storm tomorrow night, which lessens any chance of severe weather. Now, this is good. I guarantee it's going to rain. The models are printing out between 1 and 1.5 inches here, and that's basically what's suggested on the QPF guidance. In fact, really, the QPF guidance, more aggressive. They got 1.5 to 2 inches here, and this is valid through Monday morning of next week. The convective outlook tomorrow, a slight risk for the southern quarter of Mississippi and Alabama, and more than likely any severe weather will be near the immediate coast, where you've got a better crack at getting a little instability. Very, very dynamic system, but with polar air in place today, that's pretty much going to squelch the chance of any big severe weather issues. There's a look at the output of the model for tomorrow. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow, at 500 millibars. Strong trough out there across the Plain States. The rain should begin to move in here tomorrow afternoon late. And tomorrow night at midnight, the trough goes negative tilt. Tornado-looking weather right there if this were spring. But it's not. Surface low up there near Nashville. Trailing front. Good rain event tomorrow night. A little bit of thunder. Elevated storms are possible. But again, severe weather just not expected because of the lack of instability. No surface base caped at all. But 1 to 2 inches of rain. We'll celebrate that. Friday, system is out of here. We'll forecast gradual clearing Friday with, again, cooler air dropping in, highs in the 40s. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, a beautiful day. Will be probably in the upper 20s at daybreak, but will warm quickly to near 60 Saturday afternoon with a bright sunny sky. Now, Sunday, the GFS begins to ease in a few showers in here over North Alabama, and I guess we'll have to look at inserting the chance of an afternoon shower now Sunday, since we've seen this for a few runs. But other than that, clouds will be increasing. We'll be in the low 60s. Monday of next week, deep trough to the west. At the surface, looks like a warm front there showing up near Birmingham, and any showers Monday would be along and north of that warm front. And so the better chance of showers Monday would be over the northern part of the state. And obviously, if that warm front does move north of here, we could go up in the low 70s on Monday. And then Tuesday, the surface low begins to wrap up north of Memphis. Again, that might be a pretty active day there. Tuesday or Tuesday night, we might have some severe weather issues there. We'll have plenty of time to destabilize in advance of that. Very cold air diving down behind that. There's a look at Wednesday. Trough rotating through here. At the surface on Wednesday, the main band of showers and thunderstorms off to the east. A little bit of wraparound moisture across the Tennessee Valley, maybe a few flurries, but Wednesday should be breezy and noticeably colder. And again, the rain is on out of here. Quickly, at the end of the forecast period, the 15th of February, showing the westerlies a little north of here, and that would suggest temperatures a tad above normal and some moisture feed. And what's that thing down there at the Yucatan? Is that a tropical storm? Of course not. This is wintertime. But anyway, hopefully we'll catch some rain out there. But, of course, anything this far in advance in this kind of pattern, we just can't identify specifics. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog, as always. That's AlabamaWX.com if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. And we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.